Welcome back to my Nutrition Buddy. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of garlic. Whether you love its bold flavor or its incredible health benefits, garlic is a staple in kitchens around the world. But are you making the most out of your garlic? Let's find out. Garlic is packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. It's also known for its powerful antioxidants and potential to boost your immune system. However, there are some common mistakes people make when it comes to eating garlic and maximizing its benefits. Mistake number 1, cooking garlic immediately after chopping it. To get the most health benefits, especially the potent compound allicin, you should chop or crush your garlic and then let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. Here's why. Garlic contains an enzyme called allicin, which is released when the garlic is chopped or crushed. This enzyme then converts allicin, a sulfur-containing compound, into allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, including its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. However, this reaction needs some time to occur. If you cook garlic immediately after chopping, you don't give the enzyme enough time to produce allicin. By letting it sit for about 10 minutes, you ensure that the maximum amount of allicin is formed, which can then survive some of the cooking process. Mistake number 2, cooking garlic at high heat. Allicin is highly sensitive to heat, and cooking garlic at high temperatures can destroy this valuable compound. When allicin is exposed to high heat, it breaks down quickly, reducing its beneficial properties. To avoid this, it's best to add garlic towards the end of your cooking process. For instance, if you're making a stir fry or a sauce, cook all your other ingredients first and then add the garlic in the last few minutes. This way, it gets heated enough to blend with the flavors without destroying its healthful components. Alternatively, you can also use garlic in its raw form. Raw garlic retains all its allicin and can be a great addition to salads, dressings, and spreads. Just remember, a little goes a long way due to its strong flavor. Mistake number 3, using old garlic. Fresh garlic not only tastes better, but it's also more potent in its health benefits. Old garlic can lose its flavor and some of its nutritional value over time. Fresh garlic should be firm to the touch with tight, unblemished skin. Avoid garlic that feels soft, has sprouted, or shows signs of mold. When buying garlic, look for bulbs that are plump and have a slight sheen to their skin. Sprouted garlic is a sign that it's past its prime, though it can still be used if the green shoots are removed. However, it's always best to use the freshest garlic possible to ensure you're getting the full range of nutrients and flavor. Store your garlic in a cool, dry place, like a pantry, and avoid refrigerating it, as this can lead to sprouting. By keeping your garlic fresh and storing it properly, you'll maximize both its culinary and health benefits. Some people turn to garlic supplements for convenience. While these can be beneficial, they might not offer the same health benefits as fresh garlic due to variations in allicin content. If you prefer supplements, make sure to choose high-quality products and consult with a healthcare provider. Now, let's talk about bacteria. Raw garlic can contain bacteria like Clostridium botulinum, which can cause botulism, a rare but serious illness. To minimize this risk, store garlic properly in a cool, dry place and avoid storing it in oil at room temperature. So what's the best way to enjoy all the benefits of garlic? Here are a few tips. Crush or chop and wait. As we mentioned, let your garlic sit for 10 minutes after chopping. Use it raw. Incorporate raw garlic into your diet. Add it to salads, dressings, or toast for maximum benefits. Add towards the end. If you're cooking with garlic, add it towards the end of your cooking to preserve its nutrients. Store properly. Keep garlic in a cool, dry place and avoid storing it in oil at room temperature. By following these simple steps, you can make sure you're getting all the amazing health benefits that garlic has to offer. Your immune system will thank you, and your taste buds will too. Thanks for watching my Nutrition Buddy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more nutrition tips. Share your favorite garlic recipes in the comments below. Stay healthy and happy cooking!